Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Today's video, we're going to take you for a close and personal of this new 2023 Nissan Almera VE N-Sport. As always, I'm going to take this Nissan Almera VE N-Sport for a full walk-around review presentation. And for this presentation, I'm going to show you the most interesting features from the interior as well as the exterior. So sit back, relax, and enjoy of this video presentation.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for you.
All variants of the Nissan Almera in the Philippines has only come with one engine choice, and that is the 1.0-liter dual overcams, 12 valves, and a turbocharged inline 3-cylinder gasoline engine with multi-point fuel injection. The engine generates 100 metric horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 152 Nm of torque between 2,400 and 4,000 RPM. Fuel tank size is 35 liters with emission rating of Euro 4. A 5-speed manual or a Nissan's XTRONIC CVT is the transmission choice for the car's engine, and the drivetrain of the Nissan Almera is a front-wheel drive vehicle. For the fuel economy, the Nissan Almera has achieved between 17.5 to 19 kilometers per liter, in which the car can be considered as fuel efficient coming from a 1.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine based on the numbers that are mentioned. In addition, it is not a problem to have the most powerful engine on the line, giving the best performance that it could take, even when you go on throttle, but for sure, this car receives an impressive record when it comes to its efficiency. Right now, let me tell you something on what's going on here. So, what is the Nissan Almera? The Almera. It is the company's subcompact sedan that has been around for a decade here in the country. Plus, this car has answered to the likes of the Toyota Vios, the Honda City, the Mitsubishi Mirage G4, and many other subcompact sedans that are available in the market. On its new generation, since it was launched 2 years ago, the Almera is getting leveled up not just in style but also in its features, tech, powertrain, and overall driving dynamics. What we have here in today's feature is the range-topping VE N-Sport, and see how does it differ from their counterparts such as the current Toyota Vios, GR Sport, and Honda City RS, and how do we indicate it? To the exterior. As you can see, the Nissan Almera is getting longer, sharper, distinctive, sexier, and minimalistic, which is way too far from the previous gen model. In addition, it gets a nice futuristic stance which may call up every people's attention, including the front end of the car having the Nissan signature V-Motion front grille that is finished in an N-Sport dark chrome accent. Lighting features of the Almera VE N-Sport are equipped with LED reflector headlights, LED daytime running lights, and LED front fog lights. All of these features are standard for this car. Moving on the sides of the car, you get LED indicators on the silver finished side mirrors with a side view camera for your 360-degree around view monitor. These mirrors are powered adjusting and folding. Other than that, you get body color door handles, and if you take a look at the side of the car, you see it's fresh and elegant with its floating roof design on the C-pillar to make the car stand out, giving it a futuristic taste. Unlike the Vios GRS and the CTRS, it gets a sporty look though, but it isn't striking as it is. At the back of the car, you don't expect anything, but it is neat and clean. But what makes the car even more sportier is the rear bumper, which looks like a rear diffuser of a sports car with some silver finished rear splitter, and that feature is exclusive for the N-Sport trim, particularly the front splitter of the car that is finished in silver accent too. Going back to the rear of the car, the lighting features that you get as standard at the back are LED rear lights. As far as the interior, everything looks the same as the VE, but the only difference is that the interior color is finished in all black trim and the steering wheel of the car is now leather wrapped. All I can say is that the interior of the car is more premium and sporty with a touch of classiness, added with some advanced technology which makes the car even more stand out. But what I'm going to zonk in this car is that it does come with a fabric seats and it doesn't have a 60-40 folding rear seats as what you have found in a now defunct VE N-Sport variant. On the positive side, this car does have a Nissan Intelligent Mobility System that is loaded with advanced safety and driver assist features, and little did you know that this Nissan Almera VE N-Sport is the only subcompact sedan that offers a 360-degree around view monitor and a turbocharged gasoline engine. And another zong that I found in this car is that it doesn't have parking sensors for both front and rear, and safety-wise, this car does get 2 airbags. Overall, the Nissan Almera VE N-Sport is definitely the game changer of all subcompact sedan that you will get, because it offers you not just a sporty and futuristic look, but also the advanced tech, premium features, and greater comfort thanks to its zero-gravity seats, which you don't get from the City RS and the Vios GRS. In terms of price point, the Almera VE N-Sport is 5,000 pesos cheaper than the Toyota Vios GRS and 50,000 pesos cheaper than the Honda City RS. With that, I think you found the car of your dreams. 16-inch and sport design alloy rims are the shoes of the Nissan Almera VE N-Sport that are wrapped in Bridgestone Ecopia EP300 tires that measures 205/55 R16. Ventilated disc brakes and drums are the braking system that are applied for both front and rear respectively. And the suspension setup, McPherson struts applies in front and torsion beams applies to the rear. Both of these suspensions have stabilizer setup.
Speaker, bottle holder, and storage. Mirror controls, window locks, interlocking. Window controls, all 4 windows in this car are powered, while the driver's side window gets a fully automatic function in both directions. Your engine auto start stop feature, whereby if this system is activated, the car will actually shuts off momentarily when you arrive at a stop such as a traffic light or traffic jam to save extra bit of fuel depending what the car is running on. Fuel release, bonnet release, boot release, and Almera badge. To the floor mats, and the driver's seat on this Nissan Almera VE N-Sport gets a fully manual adjustments. Seat back height adjuster, and down there is your seat side position controls. You have the same set of adjustments as found on the driver's side, however, it loses out on the height adjuster.
The steering operation of the Nissan Almera is an electric power assist function with a rack and pinion type. For the VE N-Sport variant, it's all made up with a 3-spoke flat bottom design leather wrap steering wheel with sport grips at 10 and 2, dark satin silver accents at the bottom spoke, and mounted controls are found at the left and right spokes of the wheel. The Almera VE N-Sport is equipped with a Nissan's XTRONIC continuously variable transmission, better known as CVT. CVT is like a regular automatic transmission, but the difference is that it doesn't have a fixed set of gear ratios. Instead, it has a numberless amount of gear ratios, aiming for a smoother ride without any noticeable change and resulting for a better fuel economy. Featuring in this transmission is a low gear mode. A reverse camera together with a 360-degree around view monitor are the standard features of the Almera VE N-Sport.
2 cup holders, hand operated parking brake. This area here you can use it as your storage. Engine start stop, storage, power outlet, USB and auxiliary integration. You have your single zone automatic climate control system with all of your controls located right here, which is quite simple to use. Fan speed, temperature, on and off button, rear defrost, front defrost, different modes, and this is your recirculation. Push this button for your AC. Push this button right here to activate the automatic feature for this Almera's air conditioning system.
The Almera VE N-Sport comes with a Nissan Connect head unit with 8-inch infotainment display, different sets of media connectivity settings including your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the sound system itself is provided by 6 speakers.
So this is the screen itself. On the left side of the screen, you got your audio. This is your menu button, telephone button, audio button, seek tracks, and your volume power knob. While on the right side is your camera for 360-degree around view monitor, your day and night mode for your brightness adjuster for the infotainment system, your settings menu, and this button to hit to go back to your different sets of menus, or should I say to go to your home menu. Tuning and scroll knob, and push this for sound settings that you can go to your bass, treble, balance, and fade. On top, you got your 2 aircon vents, in the middle hazard switch. Your light indicator controls, and your weapon controls. Now on the steering wheel, on the left spoke, got your up, down, left, right, and your OK button and your go back button. These corresponding buttons controls your multi-information display. Other than that, you got your volume controls and your seek track. On the right side is your voice recognition system, and this is your telephone button. Now the steering wheel in this car gets a manual tilt, telescopic adjusting using this lever right here. There you go. A tweeter right there. No grip handle on the ceiling for the driver's side. Driver's side sun visor with a vanity mirror. Reading lights. Interior lights. And your manual dimming rearview mirror. Front passenger side sun visor with a vanity mirror. Grip handle on the ceiling for the front passenger side. A perfect size amount of glove box. Speaker, bottle holder, you can use it as a storage if you want to. Got your window control right here.
Since the all-new Almera is getting longer compared to the previous gen, the rear cabin of the car gets a generous amount of room. As a 5'9" tall person, I have plenty amount of legroom and a good size of headroom. And overall, you can't complain the rear seats of the car because it is proven that this is totally spacious combined with this very nice and comfy fabric seats. A storage pocket can be found at the front passenger side seat back, and there's a storage area which it can use as a cup holder or bottle holder depending on your preference, and just ahead of it are the 2 USB charging ports. On both sides for the rear are grip handles, which is located at the ceiling, and finally, there is a cabin light located in the middle on top. .474 liters is the total measurement of the Nissan Almera's boot space. Found under the boot floor is your spare tire together with a toolkit and jack. When it comes to Nissan, safety is the #1 priority. Under a Nissan Intelligent Mobility, one of the best highlights found in this car are Intelligent Around View Monitor with Moving Object Detection, Intelligent Forward Emergency Braking with Forward Collision Warning, and Hill Start Assist. The rest of the safety features are 2 airbags, anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution and brake assist, vehicle dynamic control, LED high mount stoplight, ELR seatbelts in all seats, ISOFIX child seat and tether anchors for the rear seats, alarm system, and immobilizer.
And that is it for our full walk-around review presentation of the 2023 new Nissan Almera VE N-Sport. I hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure hit thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you are subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell button to get notified for my latest updates. And don't forget, follow all of my social media platforms. And as always, I'll see you next time with more latest videos on YouTube. God bless you, more power, I love you all, and mabuhay.
Makikita mo ako sa kalsada with the homies. Kulang kami kasi yung iba hanap ng police. Pilipinas hustler, peso, peso, peso. Mga Pinay ko magkakilala, beso, beso. Sabi niya ako'y alam kong busy ka.